Hello techies, we are in lab 5.1.7 and we're going to configure a security appliance. So you are an IT security administrator for a small corporate network. To increase security for the corporate network, you have installed the pfSense network security appliance on your network. Now you need to configure the device. In this lab, your task is to configure pfSense as follows. Sign in to pfSense using the following case-sensitive information. URL is going to be 198.28.56.18 and the username is going to be admin. The password is going to be pfSense. You're going to configure the DNS server as follows. Primary DNS server is going to be 163.128.78.93 and the host name is going to be DNS1. All right, so and the secondary DNS server is going to be 163.128. So let's go ahead and just start up lab immediately. Now in case you find this video to be too fast for you, I apologize for that. You can always pause this video and walk at your own pace. You're going to match every move I make, every step I take in this video, and you will miss it. All right, so let's start up immediately. So we open Google Chrome and we type in the URL, which is 198.28.56.18. Here is the URL right here. So we just type this in. All right, so pfSense has opened up and we're going to input the username and the password. This is going to be admin and the password is going to be pfSense. You can always copy this and paste there, but I prefer sometimes to type it out. So just copy and you paste it in here if you want to, otherwise you can just type it out. Okay, so we'll go to systems, and under systems we'll go to general setup. Under general setup we'll go scroll down till you get to DNS servers, and under DNS servers we are going to configure the servers as follows. It's going to be 163.128.78.93 right here. So this is going to be 163.128. So just copy and paste, and the DNS1 host name DNS1. All right, so that is done. So we add DNS server. So for the secondary DNS server, we'll just copy this IP address here and paste it right here. And DNS server 2, copy this and paste it right here. Alright, so that is all. So go ahead and save this. We'll go to interface, and under interface we go to 1, and we are going to enable interface. And for IPv4, this is going to be static IPv4. Scroll up and for the IP address, this is going to be let's scroll down and see 65.86.24.136. So we just copy and paste here, and this is going to be 8. It's going to be /8 yeah, /8, and go ahead add a new gateway. So for the gateway, check this because it's supposed to be default gateway, and name is going to be 1 gateway. So we can just copy this just to save time. copy this right here, then go ahead and paste it here. And for the gateway IPv4, this is going to be 65.86.1.1. So you can always copy this and paste it right here. Okay, so go ahead and click add, and go ahead and click save. Apply, and let's go ahead and score lab. Now, if you find this video to be helpful to you in any way, share so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Comment if you have any question. Thank you for watching, and I'll definitely see you in my next video.